Greetings. This is the P5 Smart Battery Guide. First, lift the handle on the rear panel. Open the protective cover. Slide the first smart battery securely into the leftmost slot. Next, insert the second smart battery into the middle slot. Finally, slide the third smart battery into the rightmost slot. Close the rear cover firmly to secure all batteries in place. Push the handle back down into its resting position. Flip the device over and press the power button on the top right. The device powers on and the loading screen appears. Once booting is complete, the screen appears. DSVision runs automatically and the system is ready for inspection. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.